Got my test back from today, not the grade I hoped I'd see. Looking at that little score, tears feel close inside of me. Thought that maybe I'm not smart, let out just a quiet sigh. Then my dad taps on my head, you can try again, that's why. It's okay sometimes to fail. We can fix the things we've done. What matters is what comes next. Will you try just one more time? If you fall, then stand back up. Don't just stay down on the ground. Maybe you're not great today, you can be more next time round. If you fall, then stand back up. Wipe your tears and smile again. Every failure holds a lesson, helping you grow strong within.
Milo, what brings you to my desk this morning?
I bring my test to my teacher, ask her where I got off track. She explains the steps more slowly. Oh, I see it now, I laugh. Write it down inside my notebook, things I really need to know. Next time when I take a test, I won't make that same old mistake. It's okay sometimes to fail. Now I see the path ahead. Tiny cuts will heal in time, I'll learn how to fix instead. If you fall, then stand back up. Don't just stay down on the ground. Maybe you're not great today, you can be more next time round. If you fall, then stand back up. Wipe your tears and smile again. Every failure holds a lesson, helping you grow strong within. All my friends clap hands for me. Next time you will get a 10. I just laugh and nod my head, I'll give all I've got again. Deep inside I understand, numbers are just one small part. More important, step by step, I don't quit with all my heart. If you fall, then stand back up. Don't just stay down on the ground. Maybe you're not great today, you can be more next time round. If you fall, then stand back up. Wipe your tears and smile again. Every failure holds a lesson, helping you grow strong within. If you fall, then stand back up. You can travel far and wide.